how to use Zendrop with TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how you will be able to make use of Zendrop within your TikTok Shop. And so we're going to be exploring two options and we're going to be checking both TikTok Shop option and Shopify option. Now let's get started. Over here in TikTok Shop, it has similar features with Shopify where you will be able to view and add apps and services as you can see here. And Zendrop, we're going to be checking if it is available with TikTok Shop. So simply select apps and services and App Store. As you can see here, these are the different apps available right now in the App Store of TikTok Shop, which will basically add different features into your store. And if we search Zendrop over here, as you can see, unfortunately, there is no apps right now built for TikTok Shop. But there is an alternative. We will still be able to use Zendrop by making use of Shopify. Now, in Shopify, if you view apps over here, click on All Recommended Apps, you will see here a list of apps built for us. And as you can see here, part of my options are Zendrop, dropshipping, and POD. So, if this is not available for you guys, if you guys are not seeing Zendrop on your Picked For You page, simply click on the Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store. And you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you can see multiple and more applications built for your Shopify store, which will basically improve your features. Now, simply search Zendrop in your search bar over here, and you will be able to see this output over here, the specific app. So simply install this into your Shopify store. Now, how does this connect to your TikTok Shop? Now, since we have Zendrop as part of the Shopify App Store, of course, TikTok will be part of that as well. So simply search TikTok, just like that. And as you can see here, we have Quick Sync for TikTok Shop. There's other options available, but so far, this one is the best one for connecting to your TikTok Shop itself. So we could view this, and as you can see, the different features of this app includes instantly syncing inventory from both sides, make Shopify your main store, fulfill TikTok orders directly from the Shopify dashboard, and import and export products with image and SKU barcode. So having Quick Sync for your TikTok Shop will basically allow you to control your TikTok Shop through the Shopify store. And in Zendrop, it's a dropshipping platform, meaning you could export products from this platform. So when you get a product in Shopify, whether it's from a dropshipping platform or other external platform or you manually added it on your Shopify, it will always appear here under products. And having this as a feature, it means that you can indefinitely and always import products into your TikTok Shop that came from Zendrop over here, which is really cool. And over here, let's actually explore Zendrop over here and show you guys how you will be able to do it. So we need to sign up over here, so give me a free few seconds over here. There we go. As you can see, we are now logged in. So what you could do in Zendrop is basically find products for you to dropship. So it's connected right now to my store. And for example, I want to dropship cat donut bed over here. I could click this and view the different information, such as the title, the product price, features, the description over here, sizing chart, and many more. So if you're settled with cat donut bed, I can easily add it to my product, as you can see. And if I check my products over here, I could click on review and publish. I could select the product type over here, the collection. I could edit the description, variants, images, and many more. So after that, simply publish it. Click on confirm. And right now it's publishing. And if this is successful, it should be published into our Shopify store over here. So let's wait for it. As you can see. Now, let me show you a visualization on how this would work. So let's open an app over here, a website that will allow us to explain this. So we have Shopify, we have Zendrop, and we have TikTok Shop. So what we want to do and to have is a connection between Zendrop and TikTok Shop. But right now, there is no connection that would allow us to connect these two platforms directly. So we will be utilizing Shopify over here as a middleman to help us establish a connection. So basically, as you can see here, we successfully uploaded our product in Zendrop. So if I refresh this, it should appear over here. There we go. As you can see, the cat donut bed is now available, and it was taken from the Zendrop over here. So we were able to successfully get a product from Zendrop to Shopify. So we have our product over here. We now have it over here in Shopify. Now, if you were able to install this, and if you paid for this plan over here, you will be able to import a product into your TikTok shop. So this will be recognized as a product that can be imported into your TikTok shop. So what will happen is that you will also be able to establish a connection between Shopify and your TikTok shop. And the product over here will then be transferred to your TikTok shop just like that. So now basically, Shopify will serve as a middleman for you to be able to sell products in your TikTok shop. Inside your TikTok shop, it should appear other products over here. If you click on Manage Products, this is where it should appear as well. So you could look for any type of product that you want. Of course, it depends on your preferences on what type of products you want to sell. But there's a lot of potential over here. You could search for as many and you could add as many products as you want. It's completely up to you. And by following the instructions or by following the process or the flow that I taught you guys here, you will be able to successfully establish a connection between Zendrop and TikTok Shop and have a drop shipping interaction. So basically, it's now going to look like this. We have our line over here. There we go. Or like this. Through Shopify, we were able to establish a bridge between these two platforms where we can easily transfer different products and sell different products for a lot of profit. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.